Today we will see the question answer of lesson 3, Ranji, the wonderful bat. Okay, Ranji's wonderful bat. The lesson we have already discussed in the previous videos. Now let's see the question answers. First, number A, write true or false. The captain was caught out by the wicket keeper. True. Then Ranji lost his wicket on the first ball because he made a wrong decision. True. After being hit on the pads, Ranji went to the pavilion to fetch a new bat. False. Then the coach and the captain encouraged Ranji even though he hadn't made any runs. False. Then Mr. Kumar was a kind, affectionate and encouraging person. True. Let's see the extract question. Read the sentences and answer the question. Hello Ranji, off in a hurry today, and why are you looking so sad? Mr. Kumar called out to Ranji. The question was, who called out to Ranji? Mr. Kumar called out to Ranji. Number 2. Why did he call out to Ranji? He called out to Ranji because he looked troubled. Next. Why was Ranji in a hurry? Ranji was in a hurry because he had lost his wicket without scoring any runs and therefore was not in a good mood. He had also been reprimanded. Reprimanded means scolded by his coach. Number 2. Something will have to be done about it. Who said these words and to whom? Mr. Kumar said these words to Ranji. Next. What does it refer to? Why would something have to be done about it? It refers to the fact that Ranji had been unable to score any runs in the past few matches. It had made Ranji believe that he was unlucky and therefore something had to be done about it. Number C. How did the speaker propose to do it? Mr. Kumar decided to give Ranji a bat with which he had scored a century to help him change his luck. Number 3. It hasn't lost any of its magic. What hadn't lost its magic? The bat that Mr. Kumar had given had not lost its magic. Number B. What was its magic? The magic was that anybody who played with that bat would score a lot of runs. Number C. Did the magic work for the receiver? Yes, the magic worked for the receiver. Come to number C. Answer this question. First question. What was Ranji thinking when he walked into the field the first time? Ranji was determined to make enough runs to lead his team to victory when he first walked into the field. Number 2. Where did Mr. Kumar take Ranji? Mr. Kumar took Ranji to the back of his shop. Then number 3. What was special about the bat that Mr. Kumar gave Ranji? The bat that Mr. Kumar gave to Ranji was special because he had scored a century with the same bat. Number 4. Why could not Ranji practice before the second match? Ranji could not practice for the second match because he had misplaced his lucky bat. Number 5. What gave the team from another town an edge in the match? The edge that the team from the other town had was that Ranji had not been able to practice before the match and the opposing team had lost a wicket very soon. Number 6. Why did Mr. Kumar help Ranji even though Ranji had lost the bat? Mr. Kumar helped Ranji even though he had lost the match because he believed that it was about the batsman and not the bat. He told Ranji that the bat was an extraordinary one since he had scored runs using other bats as well. He wanted Ranji to be confident and therefore helped him. Come to number D. Think and answer. Ranji took Bhim to the doctor. What does this tell us about Ranji? Ranji was a caring person and a true friend. Was Ranji's new bat really wonderful and magical? Ranji's new bat was not wonderful or magical. It was Ranji's belief in himself, his confidence that made the bat work wonders. Number 3. Do you think confidence plays an important role in our lives? Discuss in the class. Confidence, which grow out of honesty and belief in oneself, is the most important quality that plays an important role in our lives. It can make an ordinary person extraordinary and can make him work wonders. Come to word study. Ranji was a caring person and a true friend. Caring person. Number E. Take the most appropriate words to complete the sentence. Ranji dash that he was upset because he hadn't made any runs. Admitted. Number 2. Mr. Kumar pretended that he had great faith. Number 3. Ranji's team congratulated him on his winning streak. Bhim was so involved in his thoughts that he didn't notice me. The day of the match was pleasant. So these are the appropriate words to complete the sentence. Now choose the correct words to complete the statement. I will have to ask around. Ask around, number 1. Then ask around and check if someone has a bat for sale. Ranji broke down because he hadn't made any runs. Number 3. His teams cheered him over the equipment. His team cheered him up and encouraged him to make more and more runs. Number 4. They handed over the game equipment to the coach for safe keeping. Now come to number G. Edit the paragraph. There are some mistakes here. So what are the things you have to change? I will just telling you. BCC, these are all capital. Cricket correspondent Jonathan, J will be capital. Agnew said, comma, despite, D will be capital. Despite it being too long and no building any momentum, particularly within Australia, A will be capital. Then the standard of cricket has been very high, including that of the opposing teams, full stop. Then D, T will be capital. The only disappointment is that some team have had 8 days off, which is ridiculous, comma, then former, F will be capital. England, E will be capital. Captain Michael won. Added. Michael, M will be capital. V will be capital. Then it's being played on the. It's being played on the best wickets in the world, which is why we are within between V and RE you have to put apostrophe. Seeing great shots from the batsmen. Then full stop. Then T, the pitches, T will be capital, have been fantastic for stroke play, and they also reward bowler with pace, full stop, inverted comma, close. So these are all about your editing the paragraph. We will see the last part of the edit the paragraph, best wickets in the world, which is why we are seeing great shots from the batsmen. We are, between V, R, E, you have to put apostrophe there. Then after batsmen, full stop. The pitches, T will be capital, have been fantastic for stroke play, and they also reward bowlers with pace, full stop, inverted comma, close. Now let's have some question based on grammar study. Compound sentence, simple sentence, and complex sentences we have already seen. Let me see what is simple sentence. A sentence with one independent clause is called simple sentence. For example, Ranji was the youngest member of the team. Compound sentence. If a sentence has two independent clauses joined together with a connector, It is called compound sentence. Another 60 runs had to be made for victory, and only one good batsman remained. Now next is your complex. When a sentence has one independent clause and one or more dependent clauses by a connector, it is called complex sentence. The youngest member of the team, who was only 11, was sturdy and full of pluck. So the youngest member of the team, who was only 11, that is your, and was sturdy and full of pluck. So this is your one independent clause is there and one or more dependent clause. Who was only 11, that is your dependent clause. Now you have to write simple, compound or complex for these sentences. Number 1, Ranji had a good eye and strong wrist and had made lots of run in some of the minor matches. Complex sentence. Okay, number 2, he had to pass the clock tower on his way home. Simple sentence. Roma left for the house while I was waiting for my mother. That is compound sentence. These questions you will get in page 26 of your New James English Reader book. Number 4, we wanted to leave early, so we did not wait for dinner to be served. Compound sentence. Number 5, Ranji felt better as soon as he was inside the shop. That is simple sentence. Number I, make simple sentences from these compound sentences. You have to join them into one. First question is already done. Ranji took his guard and prepared to face the bowler. Ranji took his guard, he prepared to face the bowler. Number 2, I like tomato soup. My sister prefer mushroom soup. So you can divide it into 2. Okay. Then the men dispersed and we made our way home. The men dispersed. We made our way home. Then number 4, Mr. Patnaik was late as he had been caught in a traffic jam. Mr. Patnaik got late. He was caught in a traffic jam. Number 5, the idea was accepted by everyone, so we began to implement it. The idea was interrupted by everyone. We began to implement it. Number J, rewrite these sentences according to the instruction given within the brackets. We worked for a long time, but we could not complete the task. Although we worked for a long time, we could not complete the task. Number 2, when we decided we could not wait any longer, we left. We decided we could not wait any longer, so we left. Then number 3, the dog needs to go for a walk. Singhi will take him. Since the dog needs to go for a walk, Singhi will take him. Then number 4, Saina expected to win the match as she had played well. Since Saina had played well, she expected to win the match. Number 5, after it stopped raining, we asked our friends to come over. It stopped raining, so we asked our friends to come over. Number 6, surprisingly, they did not want to come in. They did not want to come in, and it was surprising. So these are all about your number J. Number K, that is a listening. You have to give the textbook. Listening skill part is given behind